Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this, your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, we will finish our Princess Raya. In the previous videos, I showed you all the materials we need to make her. I guide you in the videos you must see before continuing with the second part. We made her hair, her blouse, jacket, pants, shoes, and hat. If you haven't seen that videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. With this tutorial I want to show you how to make hair cap. So if you are ready, let's start. We will start this cap using Burdeos red colored yarn. This is the name on this yarn, Sinfonia number 8, and round 1 we will start with 50 chains. When we already have 50 chains, we will start in the third chain, making 48 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and taking the back loops only, we will start the first half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing half double crochet until the end of this round. Round 2 to 18, 2 chains, turn, and we will make 48 half double crochet starting here. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing half double crochet until the end of this round, and the same until round 18. I'm already finished round 18, and now round 19, 2 chains, turn, and we will repeat 6 times, 6 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet decrease. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now 1 half double crochet decrease. And we will repeat 6 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet decrease 5 times more. In the last half double crochet decrease on this round, we will change to gold colored yarn. Now you can put the gold colored yarn. You don't need to cut the red yarn because we will use again. And you can finish this half double crochet decrease with a new color. Round 20. We will start with 1 chain, turn, and we will repeat 16 times 2 single crochet and 1 elongated single crochet. And we will finish this round with 42 points. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 1 elongated single crochet. You can see here. You can insert the hook in this place. You can see that I'm doing the V-shaped single crochet. Repeat again. In the next point, 1 single crochet, 2 and 1 elongated single crochet. One more time. 1 single crochet, 2 and 1 elongated single crochet. And we will continue repeating the same until the end of this round. The last elongated single crochet we will make here in this place between chains and the first half double crochet on the previous round. It is a little different. Round 21. Turn and we will make 42 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round. In the last single crochet of this round, we will change to Burdeos red color yarn. And now you can finish this single crochet with a new color yarn. Round 22 to 26, turn, and we will make 42 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round and the same until round 26. I'm already finished round 26, and now you can cut the yarn. First, you can make one chain for security, and you can cut the yarn. And now, with the wool needle, you can hide it. Now we will attach the closure you want to the cap. I prefer this material, but you can put a button or whatever material that you prefer. You need to put the cap in this position. This is the front. And for this material, I will use silicone. Now the cup is ready and we can put it on our Princess Raya. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me a like and your comment. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet on our channel, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. See you next time. Bye bye.